Hi, it's Larry Games from PowerCycle Trading. In this video today I wanted to show you how we go about our swing trades using multiple time frames and our PowerCycle trading model. But before I get started, if you've not received my free ebook, please go to powercycletrading.com. That's our website, and just put in your name and email address, click Get Instant Access, and you will get the free ebook right then and there. So let's get started. At PowerCycle Trading, we use a trading model, which is a cycle timing model for all of our intraday day trading and swing trading and longer term trades. And we'll use multiple time frames to set up a trade. That way we can confirm it over a lot of different time frames. Usually we'll use 2 to 3 time frames for our day trades and swing trades. And the primary time frame on a swing trade is the 60-minute. So on this particular chart, it's a 60-minute chart of Apple, and with the trading model overlaid on this 60-minute time frame, we got a buy entry signal yesterday towards the end of the day, and it also coincided with being down at the low near close to the 50-day moving average, which it did pierce and then turned, and we got a really great breakout trade. So we entered this swing trade right at the towards the end of the day, going into the close. So you can see this real powerful bar up, had a lot of momentum. So it's a great entry point for a swing trade. Swing trades will tend to last anywhere from 1 to 3, maybe even 4 days. And so on Apple, it's very common that these trades can move for 3 to 4 days easily. And you can see today that from yesterday's close, you had this solid bar up towards the last 30 minutes, and then today it was just a continuation on. Now, putting in a Fibonacci retracement levels here from the high of 705 down to the low yesterday of around 650, you can get an idea of direction for Apple. And today you can see that it crossed the 382 towards the close. Today and tomorrow I would expect high probability that it can get up to the 50% retracement level around that 677, and it can even potentially get back up to the 618. So anything's possible with Apple. That would be that'd be about a $14 move, which is possible, but I would probably see 677 in the cards for tomorrow, and then we'll see what happens. So it's a great swing trade setup using our model, and let me show you the NASDAQ 100 as well. Now this is a 60-minute time frame for the NASDAQ 100 with their trading model, and yesterday towards the close it also gave a cycle low trade setup. These arrows I put in to show the exact point in time where the system actually did give an entry or exit, which you can see with the model. And so this came towards the close yesterday, had a nice power bar up, and then today it went neutral at about went neutral early in the morning, and then had another leg up here late in the day at around 4. So it's currently still holding long, and that is on the NASDAQ 100. Now keep in mind that the NASDAQ 100 we trade a lot of that futures contract because it correlates really closely with Apple, and we trade a lot of the Apple weekly options using the same system for day trades primarily, and when we get a swing trade, that as well. So these are trades that don't happen very often, but when we see a good swing trade set up like this, it's something that I definitely point out to all the members at PowerCycle Trading. So 2 good swing trade setups here, and a lot of follow through as well for the next day, maybe 2. I'll show you one more chart to show you some additional pointers on the NASDAQ 100, and let me pull up a daily. I constantly monitor a lot of different time frames for our trading, and obviously we'll always keep an eye on the daily or medium term time frame to give us direction. Now with NQ, this is a continuation chart, a daily. You can see that I like to use a lot of trend lines, and I'm also big on moving averages. So you can see this descending trend line, and this trend line here was forming a pennant, and yesterday we actually had a break of that trend line. So I was telling our members earlier in the week it was going to either break down or up. Something would happen because you're narrowing in on this pennant. And also this is a 9-period exponential moving average, so when it popped up over that, broke this pennant to the upside, it gave you a good, high probability trade for additional continuation. So wanted to point that out. So it's got potential to move higher. Now Friday's a big number, employment number, so anything can happen there, but should get a little bit more follow through tomorrow and go from there. So if you'd like to learn how we trade at Power Cycle Trading using our trading model and all the other tools that I bring to our members, please come join us and look forward to seeing you there at powercycletrading.com, and thank you for your time.